Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to unlock the green roll cake recipe in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have the original roll cake recipe and the green sugar, and you can get both of these from NPC Doris, who only appears during rainy or rainbow weather. And if you don't know where to find her, just check the tutorial link in the description for the tutorial. And then after you have everything ready, just go to your house and then just tap on your stove and then just choose the original roll cake recipe like this, and then just change the sugar ingredients to green sugar like this, and then after ingredients are complete, just tap on start cooking like this. The first time you make it, a special unlock animations will appear. That means the green roll cake recipe will be permanently unlocked in your cookbook. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.